Mount Agung, an active volcano located on the resort island of Bali that has been placed on alert level 3 following recent seismic activity, credited Antara photo routers. Thousands of residents were evacuated from villages near an active volcano on the Indonesian island of Bali, officials said on Friday, as seismic tremors rattled some areas and smoke rose above one of the world's most popular tourist spots. The alert status for Mount Agung in eastern Bali was at 3, one level below the highest, and authorities warned tourists and residents to avoid camping or hiking within a 6 kilometers 4 miles radius of the crater. Volcanic activity remains high and there are indications of magma rising to the surface and causing tremors, said Sutopo Purwonugroho of the National Disaster Management Agency. There should be zero public activity within the specified radius in case there is an eruption, Nugroho said. However, flights at Balis International Airport were operating as normal, and there was little disruption to tourism operators across the rest of the island, authorities said. Nearly 6,000 people have been evacuated so far, and that number was expected to rise, officials said. An evacuated villager from locations near the summit of Mount Agung, an active volcano which is showing increased seismic activity, is helped at a temporary shelter in clunking, credit Reuters. Antara photo. A boy sits behind his parents and villagers after being evacuated, credit Sunny Tembelakofjadi images. Some residents in villages at the foot of Mount Agung said they were reluctant to leave immediately. Others gathered to watch the volcano. "I'm here with my husband. We need to feed the animals, so that's what we're doing first," villager Wayan Swarta told national television station Tvone. A man monitors seismic waves at the Mount Agung monitoring station at Rendang subdistrict in Klungkung Regency on Bali, credits Sunny Tembelakofjadi images. Others packed their belongings into trucks for evacuation, while more stopped to watch as clouds of white smoke rose from the crater, which is around 3,000 meters 9,840 feet above sea level. Indonesia straddles the Pacific Ring of Fire, where several tectonic plates meet and cause 90% of the world's seismic activity, according to the U.S. Geological Survey. Mount Agung from Karangasem on the Indonesian resort island of Bali, credits Sunny Tembelakofjadi images. Indonesia has nearly 130 active volcanoes, more than any other country. A series of eruptions at Mount Agung between 1963 and 1964 killed more than 1,000 people and injured hundreds. At a glance, where are the world's most famous volcanoes?